What's that?
Fuel pump.
Oh, wow.
And the bottom. Ever.
I can't tell if I'm going to.
Ready?
For a little bit. Oh, yeah, that's great.
There. Just on the.
Remember, you give it super tight here before it's going to crack that thing and the housing on it. Just give it good,
Good snug.
Good. Right there under.
How's
Fuel
it?
pump's on.
Huh?
Fuel pump's on.
It's not installed.
No, well, what if you just.
Oh, wants to take a stud with it. There. I don't want to mar the surface though.
Don't worry about it. It's not going to hurt it. Jump scared.
So basically the plan right now is I'm going to go ahead and fix all the wiring issues. Like, not issues, well, clean up all the wiring here. Tuck all the exposed wires into the little grommets here all around. And just get that stuff sorted out. Wait for some of my assistants to arrive.
The insulated wiring.
Right? Okay. By the way, I'll show you actually put these on.
Nothing's happening.
Oh, that's bright.
Hey, my ground is working.
Right? They work.
I can hear it clear.
Ow, fuck.
Dead.
That hurt. Yeah, we're good. It works.
How'd that feel?
We are now down.
Electrifying. Rejuvenating. Don't even think about putting
You've
our
lost 50% of your brain cells. Congratulations, you have one left.
Alright, successful day. We got fuse block put in. Wired up to a kill switch. Kill switch here. All hooked up to the battery cable. Solenoid. Grounding cable's done. The lights are wired up. Just running the wire over this. Comes in through here. This is a relay for it under that. That's wired up here. The only thing we gotta do now is, where is that wire at? We have to wire this loom over through here to the firewall, put the switches in the dash. Excess wire. We got the fuel rails on right here. It's all tightened down, got the fuel gauge in. And pretty much the goal for next Saturday is going to be to tidy up all this wiring over here in the fans, get all the loom, get the fuel lines installed. Then after that, it's just waiting one more week and we get